Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you some creative buttons crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Viewers, button art frame creative beautiful picture using colorful buttons like heart, tree, flowers or animal. Glue them on canvas or cardboard and frame a design perfect for wall decoration. Button flower bucket. Use button of different size and colors to make flowers. Glue them on papers with green stem drawn or made from yarn. Button heart decoration. Shape your buttons into a heart or on a canvas or wooden board. Choose red, pink and white buttons for a romantic or Valentine Day. Button mirror frame. Decorate the border of a round of square mirror with buttons. It's creative a colorful check piece for your room. Buttons gift cards. Add small buttons, flower, balloons or stars to greeting cards. It's give trendy handmade touch that look elegant and cute. Button jewelry. Make necklaces, earring or bracelet by threading button or string or wire. Mix shapes and colors for a fun look. Button tree. Draw a tree trunk and use button as leaves. Use green, yellow, red buttons for a seasonal look like autumn or spring. Button home board. Use buttons to decorate the word home, love and family or wooden or convenience. Perfect for a cozy wall hanging. Button candle holder. And viewers, button animal button candle holder. Warp glass or candle holder with buttons. Glue indoor or patterns when lit. The glow reflect beautiful on the colors and viewers.